Right on.
What do you want, Doris?
What the?
Dudes will see this and say, hell yeah.
I don't even like have a word.
301, 306 can be on scene. Hey, brother. How's it going?
Talk with them. I'll walk inside. real quick.
How you doing, sir? Your
Can't hear
lips,
you, brother.
your lips are moving, but nothing's coming out, bro.
Not bad, man. Having a pretty good day. How about you?
That's good, man. You just hanging out?
Yeah, yeah.
Why don't you just come step over here? I don't like being in traffic, you know.
I don't. Every time I listen to you guys, I go to jail.
Pardon?
Every time I listen to you guys, I go to jail.
Yeah, I don't know why you'd be going to jail. Just have a conversation with you, it's all.
Yeah, I know how that goes, though.
Move out of the way.
See, like, this truck's coming up here. I just don't want you to get hit, man. Yeah, there you go. You get on your car. Yeah.
Going on here, buddy?
Where's your clothes at, brother?
Yeah, where your clothes at, man?
Well, I've been.
Oh, there we go.
I've had a 2 or 3 day bender at the beach. You know, just
Okay.
a drunken
You've been
bender.
Here.
You been drinking a bit?
No, I have not drank anything today.
Okay.
Would you happen to see what
what are you
happened here?
drinking there, buddy?
Just a paper bag full of water.
Okay. Can I sniff it, maybe?
Did I see what happened where?
Do you quick question. Do you know what happened here at this store? The silent alarm went off.
Silent alarm.
Yeah, the guy behind it has got this little button, you know? You can click it.
Oh, that's not a glory hole?
Ah,
Oh, okay.
He's getting to the Chief Justice.
Oh. Possibly.
Does
But,
that mean, are you telling me you were behind the counter showing yourself to the man behind the counter?
well, he said come check this glory hole out. But I'm
Hey,
assuming
go talk
you
to
must.
Sanjay. Is he
You
gonna
know,
confirm that?
I'll go ask this. I can ask. him
Go
in a sec.
go ask Saji.
Funniest thing
Saji?
is,
Yeah, but that's
Who's the-
probably
I can co-
that's
Hey,
probably
look,
what you're
look,
looking for.
Hey, I think you
I
dropped
can
something,
confirm,
pal.
but,
Oh, no, that ain't mine.
Oh, where'd you get this from?
That ain't mine.
Or you gave it? Wanna, I don't know, maybe help me find the rightful owner for this then?
I'll be
You
honest.
handed it to me.
Yeah, it came from that
Two
guy.
things.
Came
Two
from where?
interesting things.
Roll the window down for me. I'm having a hard time hearing you.
Yeah, it came from the guy inside there. I ain't gonna
Okay.
lie.
You take it from him or you give it to me?
He paid me to do the glory hole for him.
See, the man inside said he came in there without clothes on and then started fucking it. So, I don't
Sexual
know.
assault?
Are you on drugs?
Yes.
What kind of drugs?
Better question is what am I not on?
Okay, well, what are you not on?
Weed.
Okay, so you're saying you've taken, narcotics, amphetamine.
Yeah,
So what are you
that.
on?
I kind of
Whippets, wazoos?
fuck all of it, man.
Hey, look,
I'm having a
there's
slight
rat over there.
relapse.
Huh.
I was getting better,
What's
but I kind of relapsed.
You got it? You got any left?
Well, oh my God, what is No Chops doing?
Eating.
You got any of your drugs left on you, buddy?
I don't know.
Wait, you got me no
Would you
chops.
consent
What
to
the
a
fuck,
search?
ass?
I personally, I've been looking for a little meth. You know what I'm saying?
Well, you guys can just go to the lockup and get that shit. You don't need me.
Nah, they took my key away.
Damn
That's
right.
why, right? You know, you in there
Yeah, so I'm
dipping.
looking for a little hookup.
Well,
Got
where
it.
the hell have you been then? If you've been dipping in that shit, and I could have, helped you out.
Yeah, maybe you could help me out here. I help you out, you help me out.
I don't know.
You know,
I got to
scratch
check
our
see if
back,
I
we
get
scratch
anything
yours.
left.
Funny thing about that is my back's located on my cock. Sorry,
Oh,
Oh my God! You just kicked my car.
that's my bad. But hey, listen, maybe you could give me some meth. We can forget about that.
Grove Street, man. Go down there, man. That's where you get all the good shit.
Yeah, but I want some now. You don't got any
No, I can't really help you with that.
about coke? You got coke?
Possibly.
I mean, I'll take
Starting
that
to
something
twitch a
too,
little bit.
No, just something.
what type of?
Hang me over.
How much do these run you? You think?
What's that? The
What you think,
coke?
Al? One
this
1
car-
million, 1.2 million. This car, you think?
This your
I
car?
can tell you
Yes,
what
sir.
It was.
So this is
It's a
yours,
nice,
huh?
Nice car. Hey,
Yes.
you mind if I check out the engine?
You can pop the hood.
I don't know how to do that. Oh my God, that guy's angry. I don't like No Chops anymore. He's so freaking angry.
Why do they call you that, Jim? I'm curious. I don't get it.
Because I haven't got the mutton chops anymore. Have that.
Well, what's your name, buddy?
Uh,
I
God,
don't
that's a good
think I
question.
ever caught that.
Dixon.
Dixon?
Dixon Cider.
what? Yeah, is that
No, that is not you. I know exactly who you are.
Mutton Chops probably does.
Yeah, of course I do. You won the fucking car in the raffle last night. Of course I know it was you.
Well, yeah, you got me there, No Chops.
So, back to the whole scratching each other's backs thing.
Think I could pop the trunk on this thing? I want to see the engine on this bad boy.
Yeah, go ahead, take a look there, bud. If you
Oh, yeah,
can.
thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it's somewhere down below.
That's my
Nope.
foot. Hurt.
Well, that's not that.
Hey,
Get
I
wrecked,
gotta.
Jack.
No, I gotta shut my trunk. Since he opened my trunk, I gotta shut it now.
You ran over my foot. That's pretty rude.
He's in the car, but he won last night and he's completely down to his fucking boxes again as usual.
Well, I didn't mean to hit your foot, but maybe it shouldn't have been that
now
close.
It really hurts. I need something to numb it out.
All right.
Currently
I might have
got,
something.
Buster Cherry
You
outside
hooked
the
me up or
Sunday
what?
PD. I will pull off as soon as he ever speed
Hey,
race.
you may have won that drag race, but that's just going straight.
It's gonna be.
Shit.
My truck. Oh, sorry, bud. Sorry.
You're good. Oh my god, did I get away again? No fucking way. Fuck yeah.